continuing our beauty series. We talked about a lot of good things. Now, one more, that is fireflies. And have you seen fireflies towards the evening or in the night, like a small stars floating around? And there's a beautiful science behind that, all of which are not even known, even now. And by the way, looking back, fireflies captivated the imagination of so many people. They're so pretty, okay? Like Robert Frost, the great American poet. He had even a great poem on that, okay? Like the stars coming on the upper sky, the real stars, and the fireflies emulating the stars float on the down on the earth, okay, in the garden, in the marshy places, okay. And what is firefly? How does it make light? Really, when you light a candle, it gives you light, but a lot of the energy in the wax is converted to heat. Only one part is becoming the light. That means we are losing some energy as heat. Okay, even the incandescent light, the bulb, okay, lose a whole lot of heat and heat energy as heat. Okay, so the really we haven't found a single machine where we can convert energy 100% to light, but the fireflies do that. Their energy is all coming from around 510 nanometer to 670 nanometer. Okay, that is from green, blue, yellow, orange, that region only. Okay, and as I mentioned, the work is still going on. We still do not know the exact mechanism, but we all know there is some stuff called a luciferin. Okay, and I'm not going to. I thought of showing you the chemical structure of that, but I don't want to scare you. Okay, it is not very complicated. Anybody can comprehend it, but initially let us go in a little slow pattern. That is the only reason I am not mentioning that now. Okay. Now, in the presence of, if you light a candle, it needs oxygen, right? Just like that, when we breathe, oxygen comes to our body. The food we eat is oxidized by combining with the hydrogens with the oxygen to make water and energy release, which we give strength to our muscles, okay? And to do work and push and pull, stuff like that. Same way, the oxygen is needed even for firefly. Okay, so in the presence of oxygen and an oxygen currency, I mentioned long ago when I was talking about mitochondria. That's called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, in the presence of ATP and oxygen and magnesium. I won't talk much about magnesium now. Okay, usually ATP will be having a magnesium with that. Okay, and then there's a catalyst that will convert luciferin. Chemically they change it so that it will take energy from ATP and emit it as electromagnetic radiations, that is in our visible spectrum, that is about 500 to 700 nanometer. Okay, really 500 to 670 nanometer. That is the visible spectrum in which the fireflies give energy. Okay, so now this fireflies, there are about 2000 varieties of fireflies all over the world. Okay, why do they emit light? Usually it is to warn off the insects or other entities that is coming to kill them or and eat them. Okay, another reason is to trap other species or other living forms of firefly class. Okay, thinking that it is to attract their boyfriends or girlfriends. Okay, and then what they will do, they will just eat them. Okay, so to deceive, to cheat the possible prey so that they can eat them. Okay, and also to attract their own boyfriends or girlfriends. Fireflies use their light. Okay, now it is not just fireflies that can glow. There are other insects too. There are bacteria and there are different types of insects. Okay. However, the mostly fireflies are known for this phenomenon. We call it bioluminescence. Okay, and there's a whole lot of research still going on. Okay, and as I mentioned, if you are too much interested, uh, maybe in a later time I will go through the structure, but I don't think many people may be interested in the structure, or you can get it in the internet. Okay, the chemical structure of luciferin, luciferase, oxygen, ATP, and magnesium. That is the shortened, miniaturized version of the story of Firefly. But they are still pretty. Bye.